How to set ringtone for specific contacts on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. It is very easy, and if you find it useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now, the first step that you need to do is to ensure that you have downloaded Contacts app on your Android phone. So you'll go to Play Store, then go to Search, then on the search for Contact. It will appear on the search result there. Just tap on it. Then this is the app that you need to download on your Android phone. It is from Google. So once you downloaded this, you are going to tap on Open. Then it will bring you to your contacts. Once you are here, tap on that option on your bottom right corner. Then it will land you here. So you will scroll down a little bit. Then under this device, you are going to see Contact Ringtones. Set ringtones for specific contacts. So tap on it. Then add Contact Ringtone. Then you can choose the person that you want to set ringtone for. So you are going to choose any contact. So let's say I want to choose for this person here. I will select the contact. Then you can use any of these two options here. So I will go with settings just once. Then I will select music on device. So you can select any music from this device. Then you can scroll down and select any ringtone that you want to set for that person. So I will select this one and then go back. So as you can see, this person has been added to the contact list. So whenever this person calls me, it is that ringtone which I've set that will ring. And if you want to edit, you can just click on that pencil icon to edit the ringtone. And if you want to delete, you just click on that delete button to remove that ringtone from that person. That's simply it, guys. That's how to set a ringtone for specific contacts on Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.